morning and a very warm welcome back to the channel. Now, believe it or not, it's been well over 2 months since I've been on the Royal Enfield Himalayan, and I've covered hardly any miles since the road trip I did with Tom. So 138 miles covered since June, I think. June, July we went on that trip. So yeah, I thought I would take full advantage of the autumnal sunshine today and get out on the Himi and record a video for all of you guys. In a roundabout way, fix the suspension issue on the Royal Enfield Himalayan, and I'll tell you how I fixed that at the end of the video. But what I kind of plan to do is make a video a little bit like this every kind of season, so spring, summer, autumn, winter, just give you guys a little bit of a channel update, catch you up on what's been going on, and what you can kind of expect to see really in the next 3 or 4 months. So yeah, really I shouldn't be out riding today because I need to edit tomorrow's video, which is already going to have been published by the time this one goes out, which is reasons that you might not want to buy the Royal Enfield Bear and things that you should look out for. So if you've already seen that video, I hope you enjoyed it. Video after that, of course, is going to be this one, and then we hit motorcycle live season. So it's one of my favourite times of the year, getting excited about all of the new bikes that are going to be coming out, excited to see what the manufacturers are going to be releasing for the 2026 riding season. And of course, as we do every year, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for the ride. I've got Mrs. Himalayan on camera duty again this year, and hopefully we can get her in the video a little bit, get some of her thoughts and opinions about which kind of bikes she likes and what she's excited to see as well. But in terms of moto news, there hasn't been a huge amount happening yet. EICMA, when I record this, is happening next week, so we'll get a lot more news about kind of what's coming out then. I know Motor Marini have done a little bit of a teaser for a 450cc bike, I think it is. BSA have put out a little teaser post as well. But just a couple of days ago, and one of the bikes that I'm most excited about seeing is the Triumph Trident 800. I think that bike looks so good, and with the upgraded engine in it, I really think it's going to sell well next year. So I'm super excited to see that in the flesh at Motorcycle Live. Of course, assuming it's there, probably will be, but yeah, super excited about that. So I have 2 or 3 videos on Motorcycle Live. You guys may remember Ride Iron, who sent me their awesome dry bag for the road trip I did on the Hemi with Tom. They've got back in touch. They've got a heated glove coming out, and I'm waiting to take delivery of that. So I'm super excited to give that a go. Not much use on the Hemi, of course, because I've already got the Ultimate add-on heated grips on this. However, for the Bear and for my little 125, basically means I don't have to fit grips on it, which is going to be awesome. And I think fitting heated grips to that bike would, to either of those bikes, would kind of ruin the aesthetic of it. So yeah, super excited to see what that's like. And sending me something else that I've never kind of heard of before, and I keep that in my back pocket for now. But yeah, 2 review videos will be upcoming before Christmas on the Ride Iron product. So yeah, if they're anything as good as the dry bag, yeah, I'm looking forward to testing them out. We'll also have a final ride on the Royal Enfield Bear. I'm not going to be riding that bike through the winter months, so yeah, that's going to have one last ride out. We're going to clean it, chuck it on a triple charger. That's going to go away probably until early March, and then it's going to be a lot of Hemi content, maybe a little bit of 125 content, and of course we will then be into, for me at least, green lane riding season, which is a time of year I absolutely love, and I'm super excited to bring some videos to the channel for you guys. I haven't been green laning now in, I genuinely think it must be 5 or 6 months. It's been so long, so I'm super excited to get back on the trails and record some content for all of you. And I think I may have found something as well it's going to enable me to find some different lanes just a little bit easier, so there'll be a full video on that to come as well. I haven't tested that yet, so might not be as good as I'm anticipating, but let's keep our fingers crossed. And that will basically take us up until Christmas in the new year. Now, after Christmas, there could be some big changes coming to the channel. I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen yet, and I'm not going to say anything too early, because honestly, I don't know what direction this channel is going in, and yeah, I'll update you when I know more, guys. Sorry to be cryptic, but yeah, that'll take us to the end of the year. Apologies, folks. I've just realised I haven't told you how I fixed the suspension on the Hemi. I'll be honest, I've done absolutely nothing to this. So when I was filming that Green Lane video, obviously you could hear a noise coming from what I now believe is the rear suspension. I was doing it on the road as well, so I thought, oh god, it's going to be a bit of a pain. I'll have to spend some time and energy into to figuring out what it is. However, fortunately, that noise has gone away all by itself. So, yeah, I've done absolutely nothing. But I'm hoping that goes away and stays away for good. But we will see. Anyway, back to the video. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this quick impromptu video, enjoying some of Norfolk's finest lanes in the autumnal early morning sunshine. As always, if you've enjoyed it, give the video a like, share it to a friend. Thank you also very much for watching, folks. I hope you're as excited about the upcoming winter riding season as I am. Tell me what you're most looking forward to down in the comment section below. As always, thank you also very much for watching. Take care, ride safe, and until the next time, goodbye.